Ladies and gentlemen, in this video I will give you detailed instructions that will help you to get rid of the browser redirections related to the site searchsafes.com. I will demonstrate to you how exactly it happens. You try to submit some search queries through your Google Chrome, and then you notice this searchsafes.com redirection, and then eventually the results are delivered by some other search engines not chosen by you. So no matter what search queries we submit, we see this searchsafes.com browser redirection. Let's do it once again. So we submit some search queries and we see this searchsafes.com, and then, as I said before, the results would be delivered by some other search engines not selected by users. What we recommend you to do for fixing your browser is, first of all, researching the control panel of your system. In case you find any suspicious programs here on the list, you need to right-click on them and uninstall them in a regular manner. Also, my recommendation is that you additionally investigate your computer with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the official website combocleaner.com. Download Combo Cleaner, install it, and begin researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threads which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threads, the locations of all these threads on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threads manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.